Tin, ta, 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 tin as a third, and then tin. So you should not change the order basically. Make sure you follow the order. Following order is also important, right? So again, I'll show one more time. Make sure you watch again. Ta. And it's okay if you slow down, that's fine. So ta, tin, ta, ta, tin. Second, ta, tin, tin, ta. Third, tin, ta, 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 tin. Fourth, tin, ta, tin, ta. Back to ta again first. Will you practice and send me recording by tonight?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's practice together for a bit. Okay. I'll switch on the lyra. I will play with the lyra today. Okay.
Go down, Master.
So last time I gave the coordinates of this lyra, right? I hope you have got that. So again, I'll reiterating. Tal is Tin Tal. Okay. Rag Charukishi, and we are doing at 50 speed. Start with. Okay. And instrument is Santur. Can you hear Lyra Kedar? It always goes to my iPad. Okay, let's switch it up.
Battery 50%. Connected to 9+7 iPhone.
Rajan, come more closer. Or come this side. Which is really comfortable. So let's play together with me, okay? We are playing that 4 exercises. Ta, tin, ta. Third, tin, ta, tin, ta, ta. Back to first. Ta, tin, ta, tin, ta, tin, ta, tin, ta. Second, ta, 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 back to ta, ta, plus ta, back to ta. Arjun, your fingering is not coming correctly, Arjun. Your ta, you are playing way too up. You should pull it down back to 6 o'clock. Still much below. Is your hand at the center of the tabla? No, you are probably at this level. Your middle finger has to be at the center of the tabla all the time. It's from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I'm going back to the day one. If you change those coordinates, your fingering will not be good, Arjun. So first thing is your hand has to be at the center. It should be between 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Your index finger has to be at 6 o'clock. And your thin has to be at 4 o'clock where your ring finger is. You are playing ta here, you are playing thin here. You are traveling like this. That is not correct. Ta, thin, ta, ta, thin. You are traveling very minimal distance here. Still you are up here if I'm seeing your fingering. You need to move your more this side, your hand is. Exactly. Yeah. Still you are way up here. Still. Can you sit properly first? Sit at the center. Yes. Now keep your hand. Make sure your ring, this finger, right, has to be at the center of the tabla. These upside, these upside. That is rule number one. Right? This. Now where you are playing ta. This is what you play ta, and this is what you should play thin. You are playing somewhere here. So your middle finger has to be, you assume this is half of the tabla, right? This is half section, this is half section. Your hand is almost here. So where is your middle finger? It's way offset this side. That is not correct. Whenever you keep your hand, first thing observe that is my middle finger is at the center of the tabla. Which direction you are traveling? 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock, right? You're not traveling like this. Then you are having a bend here. This is what always your posture should be. Now if you pull down where your ta comes, this is what your ta and where your thin should be. At this location. So you are traveling this ta, slide it thin, ta, thin, ta. That's it. This is the movement you are traveling. You got it? I think yours is fine. I don't have to worry about you. Kedar, your case also probably. Not Kedar, so Disha. Yes, again, ta, thin. Yeah, you're fine. You're okay. You're okay. So Arjun, make sure you don't change that. Otherwise, we are going back on the day one. Okay? Fingering is the key part. And it gets set at initial month only. Thereafter, no scope. Then it's a double work, triple work. Okay? Okay. Kedar, will you come next week in person class?
We'll try.
Okay. I just want to make sure that your fingering is properly basically set. Or send me the recording by tonight if you can. Can you
Okay.
see? Okay, perfect. So let's keep playing it forward. Okay, we'll play it for 5 minutes non-stop. How long? Non-stop. Okay. This speed is okay, or you want to slow down? It's okay. Arjun, you are okay with this speed?
Yeah.
Okay. Kedar, you are okay with this speed? What we are playing? Your mic is mute, Kedar. Okay. You are okay, right? Okay. Let's start. We'll start next cycle, okay? And make sure you look at your fingering. Okay? Try and make it zero mistakes. Be ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, tin, ta, ta, tin, ta, tin, 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 ta, tin, ta, 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 tin, tin, ta, tin, tin, ta. Back to one, ta, tin, not correct, tin, ta, tin, tin, ta. Back to ta, tin, ta, ta, tin, ta, tin, 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 ta. Third, tin, ta, 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 tin, tin, ta, tin, tin, ta. Back to ta. Second, first one. Ta, tin, second. Ta, third. It's not correct. Ta, ta, tin, tin, ta, tin, tin. You're playing completely wrong. Ta, first one. Ta, ta, tin, second. Ta, tin, 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 ta. What are you playing with? You're not syncing with this. I'm saying first one you are playing something. I'm saying second one you are still playing something else. Are you understanding what are we playing?
Yeah.
What are you playing?
Okay.
Huh? I hope you written in correct order what we just discussed last week. So what is the first one? Can you read what is the first one in your notebook?
Tin.
That's it?
Well, no.
No, that's not what we are playing.
Yeah. Oh, are we playing this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Based on the fourth.
So can you read what is the first one we are playing?
Top, tin, top, top, tin.
Correct. Second?
Top, tin, 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 top.
Perfect. Third?
Tin, top, 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 tin.
Correct.
Tin, top, tin, tin, top.
That is correct. So that's what we are playing, Arjun. You are okay? Your tie is not coming on the kinder. You are playing somewhere here in between. That is not correct. Yeah, that's correct location. Even if sound doesn't come, that's okay. But don't change the location. Okay? Tin was okay. The rest everything is good. You are following the sequence. Sometimes you made a mistake, but which is okay. Okay, let's start. Let's start next cycle, okay? So pay attention to the tune also sometimes, okay? That will give the essence of life. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, tin, ta, ta, tin. It's not correct, Arjun. Ta, tin, 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 ta, tin, ta, 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 tin, tin, ta, tin, tin, ta. Back to 1. Ta. Third. Back to first. Second. Third. Fourth. First. Ta. 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 Tin. Second. Ta. Tin. 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 Ta. Tin. Ta. 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 Tin. Tin. Ta. Tin. Tin. Back to first. Ta. You still not correct. Fourth one. Tin. Ta. Tin. Tin. Ta. Back to first. First one. Second. Third. First. Ta. Tin. Ta. Ta. Tin. Ta. Tin. 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 Ta. Tin. Ta. 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 Tin. Tin. Ta. Tin. Tin. first. First. Tin. Not correct. Tin. Tin. Last one. Tin. Tin. Back to first. First. Second. Third. Fourth. First. Second. Third. First. Not correct. Tin. Fourth one. Tin. Back to first. Kedar, keep playing. Don't stop. One last time, okay? Back. So, Arjun, are you practicing every day? Not really, right? If you just practice 5 minutes, now you are playing it correctly. Everything. So if 5 minutes can make so much change, if you do that every day for 10-15 minutes, how much change you will have it? Whatever homework I give, you guys make sure you do it. Otherwise, we are back to square one. So that's not correct. I think he's the only one who is doing sincerely homework and submitting homework on the group. Nobody else submit the homework on the group. What's the problem? Huh? You didn't get time? Super busy. Everybody else. I am also having a job, man. Try not to give any excuses. Shan. Giving excuses is escaping from your responsibility. And this age is vulnerable, you know. This happens in this age. I was also like you. Don't. It's not that you are the only one, but somebody has to mold. That's why we need to listen to your teacher, parents. So if you are listening to me seriously, sincerely, don't give these excuses. Given task, make sure you do it. He's also having job. He's having family, but he does homework. How come? Is he having more than 24 hours? No. Same 24 hours. Everybody has. So don't give that excuse. Okay? Arjun, same thing. Be serious, guys. Okay? This is initial phase, right? If you do your initial homework, this is a habit, you will get it forever. See, it's something which you want to set up a routine at your age. And that setting up routine is shaping your life. It's not only that I am teaching music for you guys, but apart from that, if I shape your life with the proper way, you will guys will remember that forever. So it's a systematic thought process, you know, that you sit at one place, you do practice, you get that joy, happiness. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So from today, make sure you practice every day. No excuse. And submit your homework on the group. Okay? If your mom says don't submit, if your dad is saying no submit, then who is saying no submit? You yourself. Huh? Because I don't have time. That's what you think. But nobody else is thinking that you don't have time. So you are correct, our whole world is correct for you. It's okay. So don't do that. So as soon as you go home today, you submit your homework on the group. Is that okay? Arjun, you too. Okay? And make that habit, you know. And who others posted, listen to them, watch to them. Listening, watching is also a kind of an homework, you know, study. Don't ignore if she posts homework, at least know how he's playing, what he's playing, how I am playing. Or do you want me to also do homework? I can do that probably. Will that help you? If I do homework for your homework, then will you be able to post your homework every day, every week?
I think we do it also.
Okay, good. Perfect. Okay. Kedar, same thing for you too, Kedar. I don't see you are posting your homework anytime. Any reason not to do that?
No.
No reason. So make sure you do that from today, okay? And also other thing is watch, listen others also who are posting them. Okay? Is that okay? From next class,
Yes.
probably give responsibility to one of everybody, once a week to everyone. That he will be responsible to make sure that everybody is posting homework. How about that? And that every week we will rotate that responsibility. Okay? We'll start from next week. This week, let's see how many are posting. For example, you'll be responsible for next week that who is posting homework. We'll check that every day. And who is not posting, you will send them text. Arjun, you didn't post your homework. Can you post the homework? That's what I'm going to give. Not to you, but every week to one by one. Is that okay? So that you'll get discipline to make sure it happens. See, sometimes I have to do some odd things, unfortunately, if you're not doing it with politely. Samadama Danda Ved, I can't do unfortunately here in this country. Right? You may be understanding what I'm talking. This country is completely different. But we have to find some other way to make sure you get streamlined, isn't it? And it's for your betterment, isn't it? Yeah, I hope you agree, both of you. Kedar, I hope you agree too.
Okay.
So let's do something new. So this homework, make sure you guys practice that, okay? We'll do something new today. So let's share this. We did dha, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we did. Other than din, everything.
So let's do din today, basically. So the syllabus of is DHIN, din, is equal to tin plus gh, ghee or ghee, whatever you want to call. So you know tin, you know gh, ghee, ghee, right? So it's just a combining two what we did dha. How do you play dha? If you watch here, so ta, right, and baya together, that becomes dha, right? So here tin plus gh, ghee, ghee, that becomes dha. Is that okay? So let's practice din today. Okay. So let me stop sharing the screen and we'll practice din forever. Okay. So how would again tin here and gh together. Okay. Is that okay, Arjun? Shan? Is that okay? Okay, you're okay. 1, 2, ready, in. 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 So this is open sound, this is also open sound, right? Both are open sound. It's not that play something like that or hold it and play. No, it's all open, right? So 1, 2, ready, in. Good. 2, ready, in. 1, 2, ready, in. 1, 2, ready, in. 1, 2, ready, in. This is okay. Now let's try to create some pattern between dha and din. Okay, so write down the homework. Replace ta with dha. Okay, what is your homework? Replace ta. Let me write it down so you guys can write it down. I'm just copy pasting this. Okay, and here we'll replace ta with dha and we'll replace tin with what? Okay. And then rewrite down this. So replace ta with dha and tin with din in below 4 phrases and post your homework today. Okay, I hope to see that everybody does that today. Post that homework today on the group. Today, okay, not next Saturday. So how that will go? Dha, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dha, dhin, 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 dha, dhin, dha, 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 dhin, dhin, dha, dhin, dhin, dha. So let me change it here so that you can have dha, dhin. Better I rewrite. That will be easy. Dhin, dha, dha, dhin. Number 2, dha, then then dha. Third one, then dha, correct. Dha, dha, then, and then the last one is then dha, correct, perfect. Then dha. Now these two homework, for dha, then, dha, dha, then this one, and then the previous dha, then. Those are very important. If you do those homework every day, you are better off in playing any tal. We'll start learning the tal from next week, basically. But this is a foundation. Foundation means what? You know foundation means what? What is the meaning of foundation?
Where touch?
Huh?
Where touch?
What is it?
It starts.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what you start, right? So that's the beginning. That's your starting. And if that starting itself is a shaky, can you reach to the destination? You can't, right? So make sure you guys understand the importance of those. Okay. Now we'll practice this dha then exercises. But we'll not do that right now. Right now, what we'll do is just dha and then for multiple times. Okay. So only dha and then with the lyra. Okay. Next cycle. Okay. Just dha and then back to back. Okay. Maybe for 5 minutes, or if your hand is tired. You are okay? You are okay? 5 minutes? Okay. You are okay. Only dha and then back to back. Okay. Start. Dha, then, dha, then, dha, then, dha, then, dha. Slight change. One last time. What was the difference between first time we played and then second time we changed it to that?
Just like the first one was faster.
Faster, okay?
The first one was like, more like the second one's like it had more of a big gap, and the first one was like faster. So
Okay.
The first one had like more syllables, and the second one had like one line. Like if you played it faster, like the
Do you
second
think we played faster compared to the first? I'll play one more time, okay? First one, original. Right? Now second one. First one. Second one. So am I changing speed? All right, same pace. But what is the difference? Any clue? Still?
like there's more of a gap in between the syllables.
If there would have been gap, then it would have sounded slow, fast, right? Gap is same. No change in the gap. No change in playing speed. I'm playing the same syllable, same sequence. But there is one change. What is that change? It's okay. I mean, that's fine.
The ha was louder, din was softer. Second.
Not necessarily. No. Kedar, you want to add anything?
I don't know.
It's a very easy answer. I don't want easy answer from you. Little thought process, little thinking. Something you should say. Even if it is wrong, I am okay with that. But I don't know it's very easy answer. It's like escaping, right? I'm done. You do whatever you want. You do not have that word in your dictionary. I don't like anytime. Remove that word from your dictionary. It's not easy. Any clear?
You played the din a little faster than the da.
No. There is no change in the speed happening. Basically. Okay. So what happens? I mean, if I let me, you can mute it back, Kedar. Okay.
Oh, are you playing at double speed?
No. No. Speed is no change in the speed. It's the same speed. Okay. Now let me explain you what the change is. Right. This is your beat. Da. This is what we do earlier. Da. Din. Da. Din. Right. That was we practiced for a long time. Din. Right. Da. Din. Clap with me. Da. Din. Da. then. Second one, then, dha, then. What happened? Then, dha, then, dha. Second one, dha, then, dha. Original one, dha, then, dha, then. New one, dha, then, dha, then. Original dha, dha, then. Next one, dha, then, dha, then. So what is the difference?
Not much.
Sorry?
You made a pause.
Made a pause. Okay, you are very close now. Very close.
You were doing like half.
Another very close. You almost got the answer.
You were doing.
Both of you almost got the answer. Arjun, they are very close to the answer. So no change in the speed. We are not changing the speed. We are playing same thing. Tune is same thing. Only what was our rhythm? 1, 2, right? 1. So initially we are playing on the rhythm. 1, 2, tha, then, and second time tha, then. So we call it as a offbeat. Not playing on the beat, rather playing half of the beat. Tha, then, 1, tha, 1, then. So that 1 is your pause. Tha, then, tha, then. Or normal was tha. So 1 was playing on the beat. Beat means on the clap we are talking about. 1 is playing off beat. And that offbeat rhythm gives a big trouble to most of us. Big trouble. Okay, so let's say with me that. We'll say on the clap together, okay? So one cycle will say on beat, second cycle will say off beat, okay? Next cycle. On beat or off beat first? On beat, okay. Ha, then, ha, then, ha, then, ha, then, ha, then, ha. Say loud. Then, ha, then, ha. Now off beat. Then, da, 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 on beat, da, then, da, then, da. Arjun louder, then, da, then, da, then, da, then, da, then, da, then, off beat, da, then, da, then, da, then, da, then, da, then, da, then, da, louder, da, then, da, then. So this is same thought, but one is doing on the beat, one doing off beat. Okay, so make sure you practice that. This one. Okay, now let's play that all 4 phrases. Or you want to do as a homework and show me next week so that we can do something new. I'm okay with anything. But huh? Option is let's practice that dha, din, dada, din 4 phrase right now with me, or you can practice at your home and show it to me. We can do something new today. Something new today.
Oh, yeah.
What? New.
You should ask one by one.
Sorry?
Nothing.
Okay. But make sure you practice that and post your homework. Mandatory. Must. Otherwise, no coming to next class. How about that? Is that okay? There has to be some strict action, isn't it? Huh? To get you discipline. If you don't do it, am I going to get anything? Or if you do it, am I going to get anything? But if you do it, who's going to get benefit? So to you get benefited, I have to punish you. See what? Huh? Is that a good logic? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's okay. So why your teacher punishes you in the school? Or why your parents sometimes get mad, angry with you?
Because I got school.
Okay. That means you're not doing something good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the same thing happened here. If you don't practice at your home, I'm not going to be happy with you. So if you practice it, I'm going to be more happy. I'm happy with him, see? Because he practices. Right? So make sure you guys don't do what you do. When you bring the backpack, I'm just very happy. Didn't I say right as soon as you come? Good job. That's the difference, right? If you do something good, people will praise you. Everybody will say, oh, wow, that's good. But if you, oh, I don't have time, nobody will like you. So just remove those thoughts in your mind. I have time. I can do anything. That should be your approach. I want to extract time more and more. And more you think positive, you will be positive. Okay? Okay. No more lecture. Eh? No for today. Huh? Okay. So let's do something new today. Okay. Let's start probably doing one tal. Instead of next week, let's do tal today. Okay. We'll do a little foundation of the tal. Okay. Now anybody knows what is tal? Or anybody heard what is the tal? Tal. Let's talk about tal a little more. Have you heard this word called tal? Arjun? Have you heard this word called tal? Sure. Kedar? Your mic is mute, Kedar.
Tau was the first beat of the Tau cycle.
I'm just asking you, what do you know about tal? I'm not asking first beat of the tal. Whatever you know about tal, can you just say or explain or probably share with everybody? Anything? Kedar?
I know.
No? You are saying something.
You were saying something, Kekra.
No? Still no? Kedar?
No.
So I believe your mom does Kathak dance, right?
No, it was Bharatanatyam.
Oh, Bharat, I thought you were Kathak. Sorry, my apologies. Your mom does Kathak?
No.
Somebody's mom does
She
Kathak.
did
Huh?
that. I think they.
Okay.
My sister does.
Oh, your sister. Okay, I think maybe some other student has figured. It's okay. So tal is basically a structured approach of playing something repeatedly. Okay, structure. That means it has a structure. It has some basic approaches. Okay, some specific thoughts, some specific patterns, and that we keep repeatedly playing again and again and again. That becomes a tal. Okay, so tal first thing is a repetitive approach to play continuously for a long time, undisturbed time. Okay. Now, what is the what should I call? What is the usage of the tal? The very first usage of the tal is an accompany. What is accompany? Accompany means you are providing a rhythmic, what do you call the presentation to somebody who is either singing or playing some instrument or doing a dance. Okay. So that part is very important in learning the tabla. That's what we call as a accompaniment. So for every accompaniment what you do, by default you are playing certain tal. So learning the tal is the very basic foundation to learn the tabla. Okay. Now let's talk about the structure of the tal. Okay. Structure of any given tal. So every tal has a name. First thing is name of the tal. Okay. Second thing, every tal will have a specific number of beats. Okay, so the next item is number of beats. Okay, number of beats is the second element. काय म्हणतात ती? छान वाजवलं शिकतो.
तुमचं हे बसत होतं. तुमचं आणि मनोजची
दबलो होतो दिवसभर.
लावून दे.
आवडे. तर सकाळी आधी क्लासेस होते प्लस. विश्रांती मिळत नाही मला. शांत मनाने कुठे जाऊन प्रोग्राम वाजवला असं कधी होत नाही. आधी काहीतरी ओझी उचललेली असतात, काहीतरी कामं केलेली असतात आणि जाऊन वाजवायला लागतं.
येताना आमचं डिस्कस होतो कुठला मंथ बेस्ट मंथ आहे प्रोग्राम करायचं.
कुठलंच नाही, सगळे मन सगळे. Okay, so number of beats is a second element. Okay, then we'll talk a lot about the next elements. Okay, so the one is divisions. Okay, so you can call it a number of divisions. Then number of claps. We'll talk that all next class. Okay, just first write down today. Number of khali. Okay, and then you can add probably here additionally beats, or we'll talk, or just write probably the claps and khali. We will elaborate that a little more. Okay, clap and khali, that's it. Okay, so division I'll probably rechange a little more to make it more generic. Okay, so division, instead of number of, I'll just put division, beats, name of the tal. Okay, so every tal will have this unique structural approaches. For example, your name is Arjun, right? So it's a unique name. Arjun is only one, whatever you have, right? There is no second Arjun one in the universe, right? Same thing. So like that, every tal has its uniqueness. There is no other alternative to that tal. For example, another example is every house has some postal address, right? You have your email address. So those are the unique thing I'm just trying to share with you. Similarly, tals are unique. They can't be shared, or they can't have other sub thoughts basically. Their nature is unique. Like we are unique, everybody is unique, right? So now every tal has a certain sub uniqueness. For example, Arjun, today probably you are in second grade, right? Next year you will go third grade, right? So you'll continue going in that direction, right? Basically. Or other word, let's say this is our home, right? I have only 4 bedrooms. Unless I do restructuring, remodeling, I'm going to have only 4 bedrooms, right? So that 4 bedroom is like, assume that it's a divisions of the tal, right? Now every bedroom will have certain entity to that, right? One bed or something, right? So like that, you go more deeper to understand the structure of the tal. And that entity becomes unique to every tal. Okay, so that's what we will probably focus next week more. But this week, practice the first exercise, which is ta tin, ta ta tin, and second exercise with dha tin and da ta.
So we should set a board of both of them.
Both of them. Is that okay?
We mix everything.
You will make that monitoring this week. You want to start from this week, or let's wait this week and start monitoring next week? Next week? Okay. But next week, sure. Okay. Kedar, any question to you? No question?
No.
Arjun, any question? Any question? No question? Should we stop for today? Okay, I think we'll stop for today. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure that we learn the new tal, and then thereafter our journey of more rigorous training will start going further. Okay? Okay.
One quick question. When I'm hitting star, this is totally or something?
Between 6 to 7 anywhere is okay. Yeah, anywhere is okay. Don't go here. That's perfectly okay. Yeah, correct. Okay? Okay, Kedar, I think we'll stop for today. I'll see you next week, hopefully, Kedar.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
அங்கே இருக்கு